did you do? What? No. You cannot cheat the loudness. Wait. Yeah. You can do that. I'm blushing because you said that. You're awesome. Hey, can I come over to your house? Sure. Hey, I have a trampoline and a swimming pool if you want to go swimming. Sure. Wave! Ow, my nose. Ouch. God dang it, my nose. Hey, there's one thing I wanted to tell you. I like you. You do, I do too. Later, they kissed in real life.